morning, how are you all? So let us continue with our online classes, and in the last some sessions we have attended our lesson number 6. I have taught you 2-3 new topics of lesson number 6, right? So our lesson number 6 has like how Swaraj was formed. That is basically we have learned in that. Yeah, I have already explained you in the last 3 videos. We have seen the introduction part. Later on we came to the fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. How did he explain his views? We have seen in that. He had talked to the Maulas, he had asked some questions to them. And later on the oath of Swaraj, what oath was taken, which promise they had taken in that temple in Raireshwar. We have seen about that. And our lesson name is also lesson number 6, the oath of Swaraj. So today we will end our lesson. This lesson was quite small. It had only 4 to 5 points. Now only major 2 points are remaining, in which I am going to explain you in this video. Okay, so are you excited to learn, my dear kids? Okay, so let us begin with our new topic on the page number 23. When I read, you can look into the textbook. Later on, you can listen to me carefully so that you can understand. Okay? Yeah, so today's our topic is preparations in the Mawal Valley. So they have decided to bring up the Swaraj, the ideology which they had in their mind. Now how they are going to do that, how they are going to execute that, how was the establishment of Swaraj, we are going to look into that. Okay, so the preparations in the Mawal Valley. So listen carefully. Shivaji soon got busy with his new activities. Along with his comrades, he started intensive training in swordsmanship, riding, exploring the secret paths in the hills and getting familiar with general topography of the land, its valleys and ghats and possible communication routes. So what they are telling, how did the planning and plotting started in this Mawal valleys? Okay, so what they are telling us is Shivaji was quite busy. Already he was busy looking for his Jagir of Pune, but he instead began his extra thing for Swaraj. Extra efforts he started taking. So he was quite busy. Okay, in his new activities. So what were the basically new activities? He was good at everything. Right, swordsmanship he was good at. He was good at writing. He knew many different languages. He knew learning, writing, and everything. But now only he knowing everything is not correct. Like it is not correct in the sense it is not enough. The Maulas or the army which is going to make his people, they should be also well aware about that. Right. So he started teaching them also. So what happened? Along with his comrades means his fellow soldiers, the soldiers which he had in his Jagir. So with that soldiers, he started intensive. Intensive means very concentrated on a single subject. So he started intense training in swordsmanship. So swordsmanship it means the use of sword, right? Talwar we say. So how to use the sword, they understood that swordsmanship. Later on, they are also telling he made them. They were more focusing on riding maybe horses and such things. Later on, exploring the secret paths. Now Shivaji was well aware about the secret paths, hills, and everything. So he taught that, made them other people, the Maulas, the fellow soldiers also aware of that secret paths, and also the topography. Topography means what? It is the arrangement, like we can see the natural and artificial significance of that area, like how the structure of a particular region was. Topography, geography we can say. So he made that also aware the topography of the land, the valley, the ghats, the routes, and everything possible communication routes, whatever were there. Shivaji made that known to his fellow soldiers. Later on, what he is telling, he won over the Maulas, who became his most devoted followers, willing to lay down their lives for him at any time. So Shivaji had gained into the minds of people in such a way that like they were ready to give up their lives. They were even ready to receive, like they were even ready to die for Shivaji for the establishment of Swaraj. So that much Shivaji had influenced them, inspired them, and motivated them. Shivaji's enthusiasm increased 1,000-fold. Now by hearing this, seeing to this, Shivaji's energy or his ideology or whatever we say, inspiration, that increased 1,000 more times. Like now suppose these people are ready to die for Shivaji and his ideology. So definitely he will be also inspired thousand times. His energy and enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is what, in an energetic way we can say. Intense and eagerness in enjoying things like that way. So his enthusiasm also increased thousand more times. Shivaji made a detailed survey of all the forts and military establishment in the area. Now, Shivaji made a detailed survey. Detailed means a very good survey. Survey in the sense means study. In study of what? All the forts, military or whatever was there about the other kingdoms, he made quite a good inquiry. He made a good study of all the part, and whatever establishment was there, whatever things were there in that area, he particularly studied more about that, so that in war or to achieve that place, the tricks and tactics should be useful. Now it is always told you should know about the place or whatever. If suppose some people are enemy of each other, so always we must have heard also, you must have also heard, like you should know the weaknesses and strengths of your enemy so that it will be easy to defeat the enemy, right? So Shivaji know about detailed study about the sports and military and everything. In this, his followers were of great help to him. Now, in this purpose, to know about the sports and everything, his followers, Shivaji's followers helped him a lot. So, they helped him a lot in this. In the course of time, he came to know the smallest detail of every establishment, secret pathways, underground routes, ammunition dumps, and cellars. So in this, when he started finding about all the forts and everything establishment in that area, whatever were there, the secret pathways, he got to know more secret paths to enter some places, underground routes. Now below our ground levels, there were some underground routes that were quite secret and everyone did not knew. So he found about that also. The amusement dumps. Amusement dumps means that is a place, that's a military place we can say, where the explosions and the weapons or guns or whatever sword items or whatever we can say, the warfare things which were used in the war, that kind of weapons were kept in that place. So that was what ammunition dumps. So other people's ammunition dump, Shivaji got to know about that also. And also cellars. Cellars mean underground room we can say. So he got to know about all this. So that is how the preparation, in this paragraph they are telling us how was the preparation of the Maulas in the Mawla Valley had begun after the oath of Swaraj. So this is what they are trying to tell us, how the preparation has started. I hope you have understood what I have tried to tell you. Okay kids, moving forward, I will explain you the friends in Maulas and the Shivaji's royal seal in the coming video. So are you excited about that? Okay, let us continue. So this is for this topic. I hope you have understood. Okay.